Now.
This here, oh my god. For you that for those you guys that probably didn't read the caption, my hair got me famous. Yes. Alright. So so there's 3 topics to this video. 1 is about my hair, 2 is about where I post, and 3 it's about the hate. So basically they all intertwine. Trust me. Yeah. Okay. So basically I started YouTube about roughly about 2.5 months ago, or like 3 weeks ago or something like that. And my YouTube has been growing like really fast, right? So let me start off with that. My YouTube has been growing like extremely fast, and the reason that it's been growing so fast is because you guys obviously been giving me some support, giving me a lot of support, and my content is great. Yes, I know.
No, they're not.
They are. My hair. Oh, they're great, right? So so besides YouTube, what I learned is that when you post on YouTube, yeah, that's one thing, but you also need to know that you don't only have to post on YouTube, and when you just post a video, that's not the end of it. You have to go and get your stuff done. So you have to go and like do like your end in annotations, but annotations not there anymore. So you can do like your end card pop-up link, where I'll leave one like right around here somewhere, I think, or this side, I'm not sure. This side, yeah, right. So those are some things you have to do after you make your video. So I was thinking, oh, so if that's so, maybe there's other places that I can post my videos as well in order to gain some views, right? My sister's behind me, if you guys haven't seen that yet, right? Because I realized that after you post a video, that's when the work actually begins. That's where the hard work begins, you know. So I found out something called Reddit. I mean, a lot of you guys probably know what Reddit is. So basically, I can't really explain what it is exactly, but I can explain what it do. So you can post your link over there, and it'll basically oh my god, mom made me lose my train of thought because she called my phone. Oh my god, oh, there we go. Yeah, right. So basically, when you post, what Reddit does is you post on Reddit, and they get your link. So there's some things called subreddits. So basically the subreddit, you can post anything. So like you can post something like here, you can post something about YouTube, about vlogs, pranks, cooking, shitting. I'm just playing, but yeah, you can. But yeah, and even porn, haha, for you freaks out there. I see you. Yeah, you probably laughing right now. Disgusting. Yeah, but but yeah, so you can post anything. You can basically post anything there, and if you post a link and people actually click on your link, it is gonna go back to your YouTube channel and basically generating more views to your video. So so what I did was I posted on Reddit, but where I posted, I did not post a link. I posted a photo of my hair because I was doing something with my hair, and my hair is crazy right now, and it doesn't matter. Yeah, I slept without tying out my hair. Who knows that struggle? Go beneath and comment, let me hear. I know a lot of you guys know that struggle. Yeah, but yeah, so I posted my a photo of my hair when it's curly, right? So I have a weird texture of hair, so my hair gets curly for no reason sometimes. So when I pick it out, it goes back to like a normal afro. But yeah, I posted a photo of my hair when it's extremely curly, and I posted it in a subreddit called Curly Hair, and that basically got like, within that subreddit, the highest karma point that someone had for their photo. Karma point is basically when they like your photo and they hit it up to your photo or your link or whatever it is. And I think I'm not sure, but so the highest point there when I posted was about 256 roughly, right? Or just say 250 roughly, right? Anyway, and that was they posted that. I posted that like a day ago or something. So I posted my photo. I was chilling with my girl, and we were talking, and I posted that photo. And before I knew it, it's like I saw my post started going up. I checked it in like half an hour and it was like at 100. I was like, what? That is crazy. Because I checked everyone else and they were like 20 or like 2 or like 30 or something like that. So I was like, oh shit, that is wavy. I am wavy. They love me, right? I felt like a star. So I'm like, alright, shit. So I left it there, and when I slept, I woke up this morning. I'll leave a photo right here so you guys can see how many I have right now. But it was like 1.5 thousand people. I was like, father and mother, sister. I was like, what? I was not expecting that. I was like, how did I got like right now. So when you're at the top of the highest, you get you'll be on the front page of it. So right now I'm on the front page of Reddit, which is awesome. I'm like, that is wavy. Like, I did not expect that. So the only bad thing is it was not a link. So now it was not linked to my YouTube. So within my photo, you can also see how many people actually viewed it and how many people actually like it. So it's roughly about 9,000 people actually saw my post and actually clicked into my post, and only like 1.5 thousand actually like it. So I did not post my link. So then I went beneath and I posted my link so that they can actually come back to my YouTube channel. Anyway, so with that, a lot of people started hating on my post, which is something that will happen to a lot of people. That, you know, if you guys are getting famous, or not to say famous, but I'm famous, I'm gonna say that. Yeah. If you're getting like a lot of people noticing you, you're going to have like a lot of, you know, haters as well. So beneath, when I posted my link, I had a lot of people be like, oh, your hair is trash. And then they check my channel out. Thank you so much for checking my channel out. Oh, your channel is trash. And they posted that on my channel as well. So I'm like, you guys don't know how much I love you guys. You haters, I love you so much, because now you're just pushing me to get even better at my YouTube. And if you guys know it, I'm a guy, I take the negative things and I put it positively. So for the haters, thank you so much, because what you did was you basically made my channel more better. So I'll be posting better content and a lot of better stuff, because that's just me. The bad stuff, transfer it into good energy, nice vibe and all that good shit, and I get my stuff done. So yeah, so basically I had like, but overall there was more people saying I really love your hair. I'll leave the photo of what they were talking about. I'll leave it right here. Yeah, that's a photo that they were talking about. But yeah, I mean, that was awesome though. Like, so basically, if you guys want to get some extra views, you guys should go post on Reddit. Reddit is really amazing. And also, thank you guys for watching all of my videos and doing all my, you know, watching all my shit and commenting and all that good stuff. So yeah, that's about it. Also, if you guys are dealing with hate, please know that do not focus on the hate. Listen to what they listen. Do not listen to what they're saying, and just try to make yourself better. You know, try to better yourself, and it's just gonna leave them keep hating, and sooner or later they're gonna turn your biggest fans. Spirit fingers, feel me? But yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. I will be making another video right here, right now. My sister always have the beautiful lighting in her room, so I will be making another video. But yeah, thank you guys so much. Go beneath, hit comment, hit that like. If you guys know what Reddit is, go ahead and comment. Have you ever got famous on Reddit, go ahead and comment. If you guys love this video, go ahead and tell me what you guys like about this video. Yeah, alright. I'm still not used to watching into the lens as opposed to the, you know, the viewfinder. But yeah, no, the viewfinder. What am I saying? But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. You guys know how we do it at the end of every single video. Elton Benjamin out. Stay up. Oh yeah, and subscribe to my channel. So we're talking about